So today I'm going to show you how you can just generate new game objects by using this method called instantiate. Okay, so using instantiate you can create another game object. Rope prefab is a game object that we are inputting into here, and we're going to spawn a new game object using quaternion. I don't know what this means. Quaternion represent rotation, so I guess it rotates 0, 45, 0 there. So this method is going to help you generate new rope parts, these rope parts right here, because here is game manager, right? And there's a script for road 2, which is right here. This is the script for the road. Oh yeah, the rope part crystal is right there. Offset, so you can get your offset by duplicating this and dragging it further away, and you get your offset. See, it's 0.707 away, so that's the X, and then the last position is the last position of your block, which is right here. And so insert those in, and then you can create new objects with a nice offset position. And so what you do is you call that create new row part method right there. Oh, and start building. Start building is gonna call the create new row part. Invoking repeat. Invoke repeating. What does that do? Invoke repeating. Invoke repeating. I don't know. I'm gonna look at that later. I'm gonna Google it right now, so I don't feel stupid. Invoke repeating. Okay, so mono behavior.invoke repeating. What does it do? Invokes the method name in time seconds and repeat every repeat rate seconds. This does not work if you have this time scale to 0. Okay, so a projectile will be launched every 0.3 seconds. So here's the example. Rigid body projectile, void start. Invoke repeating launch projectile 2 to 0.3 F. So 0.5 F would mean like every 0.5 seconds. And what does 1 F stand for? Oh, it starts in 2 seconds. Okay, so this is the speed at which your object is generated. So starting at 1 second, a new object will be created every 0.5 seconds. That's what we're saying. Invoke repeating. And so we're gonna create that. Launch projectile is right here. Rigid body instantiate projectile velocity right here. Oh, that's a random velocity. Pretty cool. So if I memorize this right here, if you want to generate new objects like projectile objects or rope parts, we're going to use this again later in our next project. So remember this. Create new rope part. Spawn pose. Float chance. Random range. If chance is less than 50, spawn something right there. Else do that. Or do this, or do that. And then here we got this. Boom, 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 boom. This is so complicated, but we'll figure it out. So game manager is right here. This is the script that manages the game, and we're gonna call the road script right here. I'm not sure we imported it, but somehow it's got imported. So road dot start building. It's gonna start building. And then if you press the space bar button, it's gonna start building. Start the game when the user presses the return key. Okay. Load the scene with index 0. Okay. Well, that's how you do it. If you have questions on what the hell I'm doing, leave a comment below. I'm tired. So here's a quick demo of what I was talking about. So here's our game. Okay, here's the game. So you press the spacebar, it generates new row parts. Press enter, the game starts and he starts running by himself. So you press spacebar and he's gonna rotate 45 degrees left or right. And so you just keep doing this over and over again until you get a lot of scores. Until you get a quicker score. Wow, look at that. That was close. I don't know. He almost fell. He almost fell, but he didn't. Oh, okay, now he's gone. Damn it. Well, it should say game over after you lose. Yeah, the game should, it should say game over. So we should create a new scene that says game over or something when the player loses. I'm taking a nap.